There are things you may not know about burial insurance for seniors, so I'm going to do my best to kind of run through the hot list of things that you're going to want to know about this kind of policy. So, burial insurance for seniors, let me start with a very fast overview. Burial insurance for seniors is a whole life insurance policy, also known as final expense, also known as burial insurance. It's all the same thing. Okay. Now, this kind of a policy, there are some special things about it. There are some pros and there are some cons. So I'm going to try and just go through the pros and cons hot list for you. So burial insurance, here are the cons. There aren't many. The cons are that, one, it's going to be a new expense for you. It's going to be something for you to budget in. Two, those policies are not going to be large, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000 payoff policies. Your death benefit's going to be smaller. It's burial insurance, remember. It's not a cure-all for all of your for your loved one's financial needs. So it's going to take care of $5,000 to $40,000 typically. I've written policies that have been as small as about $1,000 or $2,000, and as large as, for the burial insurance policies, $40,000 with an accidental rider, meaning it doubles it to $80,000 if it's not a medical problem that causes the death. And some of the providers, they have those accidental riders. It's a great, inexpensive way to beef up that policy. So there are your cons. Cons are now over. That's it. The rest are all pros. So, and they're significant. You're never going to have to get insured ever again unless you decide you need more insurance, because these policies, they never expire. These policies are not going to decrease in coverage. So if you start with a $20,000 or a $10,000 burial insurance policy, it's not going to decrease and cut in half, or it's not going to go down to $5,000, and it's not going to go away. So it's not going to expire. It's not going to decrease in coverage. It's also not going to increase in cost. So it's locked. It's locked for your life. As long as you keep making payments to the insurance company, you've got this policy until you die. That's why it is such a hot potato for my clients that are over the age of about 60, 65. Especially from 70 to about 80, 85. That's it. I thought of one more small con, and that is once you're past the age of 85, you cannot start to get insured. 85 is the cutoff. So once you're 86 and you give me a call, then I say, I'm so sorry, I really wish I could help you, but I can't. So as long as I help you before you turn 86, then you're fine. It's locked in for life. So if I see you on the last day of being 85 and we get a policy, you're fine. It's locked in, as long as you keep making payments, it's locked till death. So that's your cutoff point. More pros. Here's another one. For burial insurance policies, they are easier to qualify for. Now, I'm going to tell you kind of an inside secret, and that is they're guaranteed issue life insurance policies. As long as you're between the ages of 50 and 80. Actually, I take that back. It's 55 and 80. As long as you're between 55 and 80. So as early as 55 and as old as 80, you can get guaranteed issue life insurance. It has a 2-year reduced payout, so a 2-year waiting period essentially. Your loved ones still get a check. It's just a very small check if death occurs for you within the first 2 years. But once you hit that 2-year part, then it's a normal whole life policy for life, permanently. Okay. So that is excellent to know if you've got some major health issues. A lot of my clients do. I'll give you a few very quick examples. Kidney disease, heart disease, permanently using a wheelchair, using breathing oxygen during the day, not CPAP or something like that, but actually oxygen tanks. Those are some not all uncommon examples of when you need to get a guaranteed issue policy. And then again, you get past that 2-year mark and you're covered. Oh, current cancer, that's another one that's not uncommon. So those are some great examples for you. So another benefit of whole life insurance policies, but for more detail, look for my other videos, or just click on the link, go to my website, call me, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to give you more information on this. but I don't like to spend much time on it because it's not much of a benefit. A lot of agents sell the heck out of it. Insurance companies sell the heck out of it. They should not. It's a no-no. They should not do this. Cash value. Okay. If anyone's making a big deal out of cash value, run away. Give me a call. Okay. Cash value. If they're selling that and they're spending much time on it, then that's a red flag. So, if you have questions about cash value, give me a call. It's not a bad thing. It's just not a good thing. Consider it neutral. It's not something you really even want to take advantage of, frankly, because it's going to negatively impact your loved ones. So that's all you need to know on that. So this is Chad with Protect with Insurance. I hope this has been helpful as far as that kind of extra info on burial insurance for seniors. If I can help you with anything else, please reach out to me. Take care.